The objective of this lab is to verify the relationship between current and voltage of a series and parallel circuits. To complete this lab, you need these poster notes with the main differences between both circuits. Also, we need a data table to record your measurements as well as conduct your calculations as you complete this table. You are going to apply Ohm's law for voltage, resistance, and current, and you are going to draw a schematic circuit to represent each circuit, series and parallel. In this case, we have an example of a series circuit. The materials needed to complete this lab is a multimeter, 3 light bulbs with the sockets, a 9-volt battery with the terminals, 2 alligator clips, a couple of cables, and a switch. This is the physical connections of the components of a series circuit. Each light bulb is labeled R1, R2, and R3. This battery is providing a total voltage of 9 volts, and the current flow is controlled by the switch S. Our first step is to use a multimeter and measure the resistance of each light bulb. We are going to measure with the switch open. To measure the resistance of each light bulb, you need to place the dial of a multimeter up to 200 and place the metal probe on each one of those metal parts of the socket. Make sure that you hold still, and your partner should help you to get a good number. So when you see a repetition, and then you can press hold and record the number that you are going to see on your display. You repeat the same process for R2 and for R3. Once you have measured and recorded each resistance for the light bulbs, so these columns should be completed, and the total resistance need to follow the notes from this postcard and how to calculate the total resistance. So this section you need to calculate it. Now you're going to measure the voltage on each light bulb. To do that, you need to move the switch on, and with the light bulbs working quickly, you need to set your multimeter up to 20 volts and measure the voltage across each light bulb. Also measure the voltage on the battery and record these numbers. This is a physical connection of the components to form a parallel circuit. So notice that the terminals, they are connected in parallel with each other, and in this terminal go to the switch, and from the switch go to the battery, and the circuit is complete. So now we are going to control by using this, closing the switch right here.